How to use email to complete your pension payment confirmation. The pension confirmation process is one of the ways we keep your pension safe, ensuring we are paying the right pension to the right person. If you are unable to use SDoc, CAAT's secure document delivery system, or phone, you can email the plan to confirm your pension. If you choose this method, do not attach a copy of your pension payment confirmation form to the email. Start an email. In the To field, type member@catpension.ca. In the subject field, type 2021 pension confirmation and your last name. In the body of the email, include your name, member ID, and mailing address with the following statement. I certify that I am the person identified above and am in receipt of a pension from the CAAT pension plan. Press Send. Your pension confirmation process is complete.